Hey, in case I don't upload the other video, but look at our new shelf. Anyway, I probably will upload that video. But right now we've got an unboxing. Yay! It's an unboxing again. Woohoo! Okay, where were we? Okay, we're recording. We're recording now. So let's see what we got. I know I've got a Yale lock and probably mailbox locks. Hey, mailbox locks. Good grief. What do we have? A IC clutch entrance. IC core clutch entrance. Yale rim mount lock. This is a double cylinder, 2 1/4. Rim cylinder there, shiny. And the double cylinder, this is the one with the heavy bolt. So you can see it there. This is going to get put on. Actually, it's supposed to get put on today, but a nice size bolt there. I love these. The best thing about these has always been the heaviest duty thing you can get in the North American market. If you want a deadbolt, that's your guy right there. And it looks like we have some residential deadbolts.
What time do you close?
6. Yeah. White brass. 32D, which is the removable. And double cylinder. At least they asked, right? Double cylinder, single cylinder, single cylinder, double cylinder, brass, and single cylinder. Okay, so what do we got over here? 2 single cylinder removable, 2 double. Ooh, red boxes. Wow, that's old school right there. Between these and these, the 20 and the 25, 20 means single cylinder, 25 means double cylinder. 25R is the removable. So the cylinders are built into these. These you can unscrew the cylinder and replace it. So basically what we have here is chrome single, chrome double, brass single, brass single. 3 of each of those. Those all go in the truck. We have a box of RU45. Yay. We have some DA 34 rubberhead keys. Yay. Shims. Yay. I'm glad those didn't come open because they sure could have. Shimaroo. Some C30M bit keys. I actually ordered these because we were out of them, but I didn't realize. I was going to use them for a project that I've got where somebody had mailed in a lock, but they're not wide enough along the bit. So I've got some Blue Dog keys coming in. Those should be fun. Yay, Blue Dog keys. That cost me a pretty penny too. Now let's see what's in here. We have passage. Yay, they finally got 2 3/8 passage latches. I've tried getting those several times. No luck. But today, we had luck because I gave them the product number. I said, make sure that they're this product number, please, because I don't need 2 3/4 latches, because I've got those everywhere. And a whole whopping 2 packs of 210, which I immediately need to go use. So let's go immediately go use that. But I gotta put a thing up here in my parking spot. Heckin' yeah. So we are just going to go ahead and put the stuff that goes in the truck in here to carry it out to the vehicle. Single, single, single. Double, double, double. Single R, single R, single R. Double R. The latches need to go. And probably this IC needs to ride with me in the truck. And this is going to go in the truck because literally that's going on the customer's place tomorrow. 210. We'll put one of those there. Go ahead and hang up some more mailing box locks. Get in. Get in. Are we all gonna fit? Oh, it's gonna be tight. There's gonna be locks falling off. The locks that we've lost this week include locks falling off the hook. They didn't fall off. What were we doing? We were C30M. C30M. Which I need to have, but I didn't need it for this job, so. I say that, I was thinking I could use it for these to make extra keys for these guys that I got a customer waiting on, but check it out. I could, it's pretty close, but if you look, that's just barely catching that first lever, so I don't think I'm going to use these compared to the nice brass keys that have a thicker blade that do have to be cut down, but it's better to have to cut it down than use one that's too narrow and possibly won't catch that first lever in there. But it is what it is. Sometimes you run across these where they're horribly machined. Let's take a look at them, because these are not inexpensive keys. These are cast, precision cast, C30 cast 30M. Let's just take a look at them. Let's see. They're not bad this time. Around here is where they always have trouble. These, I've got several of them, like, as I'm trying to modify them and stuff, they blow out, or they're just super weak in that area. So that is one of the biggest problems with these C30Ms, is just that horrible intersection between where it starts to get hollowed out and there. Pit stop. Pit stop's done. Now let's go back here to the DA34. Where are you? DA34, DA34. Wait. Why are you not? Okay, let's, there we go. There it is. Look, I still have some of those. Still have some of these. They used to make, one of the manufacturers was this, Ilko, yeah, Ilko used to make these, the colored designs, and DA34 was one of the designs that they made. Pretty funny, eh? Pretty funny. Let's go ahead and pull these forward. We'll put those right there. Hook it. Hook it, hook it, hook it. I said hook it, not hooker. DA34, 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 DA34. Ah, no, come back. Most of these are actually chip keys. So they don't really have, ooh, I got it dirty. Ah! you don't have a whole lot of these that are still mechanical. But surprisingly, like I had a 2016, check the VIN and everything, Frontier, plain key. It had a chip looking key. It had like, you know, the N102 or whatever on there. Nope, plain key, no transponder. So even though a lot of stuff is transponder, you would be surprised at what is not transponder nowadays. I'm gonna pull these off, put these behind. There we go. If somebody really wants one of those, we'll offer it to them. Anyway, where were we? I think that's it for our unboxing and stocking. Yay, we're done. We're done except for putting 2 10 pins in and putting, one more. Hold on. Back up. Back up, Jason. Back up, Jason. Forgot RU45. Are you 45? No, I'm not 45. None of your business how old I am. Oh, LSDA. LSDA, are you 45? You know, it's funny, I've got tons of 46s. Like for a while I was short the 46s. Then all of a sudden I need 45s. I don't know why I need 45s. I haven't used. I guess people just coming in and making them when I haven't been here. I guess Kim's been cutting a lot of 45s. Dang it, Kim. Taking all the RU45s. I guess it's okay since she's selling them. And you're never really out of 45s if you have 46s because you can just cut it down. Not an uncommon thing to have to do. There we go. That'll work for right now. Yay! And this goes in backstop. Shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. Oh, looks like I need more nickel silver RU45 though. I got plenty of brass. Well, I guess I do need more RU46s. Say 45 or 46? I don't know, I'm confused. Anyway, that's it. Another stocking and unboxing completed! Yay! And if you have any questions or comments, as always, post them in the comment section.